Before you begin, make sure that your device is updated to iOS 18 or later. Then open the Safari app on your phone. Go to any website you typically use. For example, I'm going to the Apple website. Locate the address bar, which may be positioned at the top or bottom of your screen. You will see the screen icon with two lines underneath it. Tapping this icon will provide you with additional options. Then select Hide Distracting Items. If you are using this feature for the first time, you will see a message indicating that distracting items will be hidden. Tap OK to proceed. You will now see a message at the bottom that says Select an item. If you tap on any section of the page, Safari will automatically identify that element for removal. Now tap the blue Hide button. The section will disappear right away. You can hide any unwanted sections on the web page in a similar manner. When you are finished, tap Done at the bottom. You will notice a small eye icon with a line through it in the address bar, indicating that some elements are currently hidden. Keep in mind that some items might come back when you refresh the page. If you are using a website often, try not to refresh while hiding distractions.
So in this way, you can hide distractions when browsing web pages in Safari on iOS 18.